Hello everyone, this is the suggestion tutorial on the Space Animal City Challenge, Robot Building Solution. This solution is for a reference only. We encourage users to build and innovate on this basis to save time and improve efficiency. This challenge involves two players cooperating with each other on the left and right side of the map at the same time. Because of that, two cars need to be built. The main tasks of the car on the right side are animal feeding, sightseeing, and helping the other player with the animal classifying. First, we will build the car for the right side of the map. We install two universal wheels to keep the front and rear balanced. In order to succeed in the animal classifying task, the structure is needed on the car that can push the cubes. We added a fork structure to the cart using the plate and the crank. Here is the building progress. For the animal feeding task, we needed to make a structure that could carry and unload the cubes. We make a tipper structure with bricks, cranks, and pins, and we attach it to the car with beams and pins. Here is the building progress. The only tasks for the left cart are animal classifying and animal feeding. So the structure is relatively simple. We just need to add two more beams to carry the cubes. Here is the building progress. There are two ways how the pen can be used to control the car and complete tasks. Those two ways are a point remote control and programmed control. The point remote control is when you tap the coding card and the car moves. Here is the example. Programming control is when we use the coding pen on the coding cards by clicking all icons that we want to use. Afterwards, we click Run on the coding pen or the icon for coding card to finish the move. Here is the example. That would be all for this reference tutorial. Thank you. Bye-bye.